Welcome to Journey to Greatness, your go-to source for motivation and inspiration. Our channel is dedicated to empowering you with powerful stories, tips, and speeches that ignite your passion and drive. Join us on this journey to unlock your full potential and achieve. Today I want to talk about living a purposeful life. Living a life of purpose is about aligning our actions and goals with our deepest values and passions. It's about finding meaning in what we do and making a positive impact on the world around us. When we live with purpose, we experience a profound sense of fulfillment and direction. Firstly, living a purposeful life requires self-discovery. We must take the time to reflect on our values, interests, and strengths. What are the things that truly matter to us? What activities make us feel most alive? Understanding our passions and talents helps us identify our purpose. This process of self-discovery is ongoing and evolves as we grow and experience new things. It's about being honest with ourselves and being open to exploring new possibilities. Once we have a sense of our purpose, the next step is to set meaningful goals. Purposeful goals are those that resonate deeply with us and align with our values. They are not just about achieving external success, but about making a difference in our own lives and the lives of others. Setting these goals gives us a sense of direction and motivates us to take action. It's important to break these goals down into manageable steps and celebrate our progress along the way. Living a purposeful life also means being mindful and present in our daily actions. It's about finding meaning in the present moment and appreciating the journey rather than just focusing on the destination. Mindfulness helps us stay connected to our purpose and ensures that our actions are intentional and aligned with our values. It allows us to experience greater joy and satisfaction in our everyday lives. One of the key aspects of living a purposeful life is contributing to someone larger than ourselves. Whether it's through our work, volunteer activities, or personal relationships. Making a positive impact on others gives us life's greater meaning. It's about using our unique gifts and talents to serve and uplift those around us. This sense of contribution not only benefits others but also brings us a deep sense of fulfillment and joy. Try this once. And overcoming challenges is also a vital part of living a purposeful life. Pursuing our purpose often involves stepping out of our comfort zones and facing obstacles. These challenges test our commitment and resilience. However, they also provide valuable opportunities